Let's make a number blocks 8. Number blocks 8 is pink color. Let's find 8 pink blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 pink single blocks. Let's make number blocks 8. Let's make number blocks 8. 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks on right side and 4 blocks on left side. So our blocks is completely done. This is number blocks 8. Let's add face recap. Let's find 8 pink face recap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 pink face recap. Let's add and make it. Wow, it's so crazy. Wow, our block is broken. Just wait, I got it. Let's adjust. At first face recap we adjust here, then we wow, here are 4 blocks, here are 4. 4 plus 4, it's equal 8. This is number blocks 8. Number blocks 8. Let's find and count. Here are our number blocks 8. Yes, I am here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 blocks on right side and 4 blocks on left side. There are 2 towers in number blocks 8. Let's divide the tower. 1, 2, 3. Here are 1 tower and here are 1 tower. Number blocks 4 and number blocks 4. It's number blocks 8.